Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will unbox Boya M1 mic and we will check its audio. So let's do that. So as you can see that I have the Raz.pk shoffer which is sealed in all aspects. So I will open it first. And inside this shopper we have got this is the voucher. So I got it on 15. So I got it on 1495 rupees and 145 is the shipping cost, so the total is 1640. And we have smart gadgets warranty claim card, and then we have the box. So first let's unbox it. So there is no more anything in the box, and we have got the notice here. And we have the manual. So in this manual they have given that how to use this mic. And now we have this box Boya, and now let's check that. We have this Boya mic inside, and then we have this silica gel for the dryness, and we have this audio jack, this clipper, the battery, and then this thing. So now I am recording on my S7 Edge mobile, and let's check that. It's the wire, and here is this is the mic, and this is the jack. And now you can see here is written camera and up for smartphone. So first we will open it, and we will install the battery inside here. So it is also sealed, so let's open that. And I will install the battery. So now we have installed the battery, and let's close that. And now it's closed, and now attach this one. Now attach the clip. So now we have our microphone ready for the use. So now I will plug in this microphone, this mic to the mobile, so that we can see that whether it is working or not, and we will check the quality of this. So let's check that. And it had given me a notification that we are recording it now through the external mic, and now you are hearing it from the Boya M1 mic. So you will see the difference, that how is the quality of the audio voice. So let's check that, and you can confirm that what is the difference between the audio before and the audio with this mic. Now I will check that whether my Boya M1 mic is original or not. So you have to search Boya M1 mic verification, and now here you will have this link, or you can go to this link. So I will click on this one. Okay, and in this website, click visit this support and click on this security code, and here you will see enter your security code and inquire. So enter your security code. So I will enter mine, and you have to enter yours. And click inquire button. So it is telling you that the product you queried is fake. Please buy our products from authorized channels. If you have any concern, please feel free to contact us at sales@boyamic.com and click inquire. And it is saying that congratulations on your purchase of authentic Boya products. So this mic is the original Boya product, and it is not a fake one. Okay, so the previous code we have entered was incorrect, so that's why it told us that your mic is a fake one. But now when we enter the right code, so it is saying this your product is original, and it is the authentic Boya product. Okay, so that's it for this video now. Okay, bye, thanks.